Jasper AI has become one of the most talked about writing tools in the world of artificial intelligence, praised by some as a creative breakthrough and questioned by others as just another productivity trend. If you've ever wondered whether Jasper AI truly lives up to the excitement surrounding it, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into an honest and unbiased exploration of Jasper AI, unpacking its strengths, its weaknesses, and the real-world experiences shaping its reputation. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, marketer, student, or simply curious about how artificial intelligence is changing the way we write and communicate, this review is designed to give you a clear and balanced perspective. Artificial intelligence writing tools have exploded in popularity over recent years, transforming how individuals and businesses approach content creation. Among these tools, Jasper AI quickly positioned itself as a recognizable name. It promises to simplify writing tasks, enhance creativity, and speed up workflows that once demanded hours of brainstorming and drafting. But promises are easy to make in the tech world. The real question is whether Jasper AI consistently delivers results that feel valuable, authentic, and practical for everyday users. To understand Jasper AI properly, it helps to step back and look at the bigger picture. The digital content landscape has become incredibly demanding. Brands are expected to produce articles, social media posts, marketing campaigns, and video scripts at a pace that can feel overwhelming. Writers often face creative burnout, tight deadlines, and constant pressure to stay original while maintaining quality. Jasper AI enters this environment as a tool designed to reduce friction and support creativity rather than replace it entirely. One of Jasper AI's biggest strengths lies in its ability to generate content quickly. Users often find that it can take a simple idea and expand it into a structured draft within moments. This can be especially useful for people who struggle with writer's block or those who need help organizing scattered thoughts into coherent text. The platform's interface is designed to feel accessible, guiding users through prompts and templates that help shape content for various purposes. For many users, this sense of direction is one of Jasper AI's most attractive qualities. However, no tool is perfect, and Jasper AI is no exception. While it excels at generating text quickly, the quality of that text can vary depending on how detailed the user's instructions are. Artificial intelligence relies heavily on context and guidance. When prompts are vague or unclear, the output can sometimes feel repetitive or lack depth. This means users often need to refine and edit the content rather than relying on it as a finished product. For experienced writers, this may feel manageable. For beginners, it can create a learning curve that requires patience and experimentation. Another common concern involves originality and creativity. While Jasper AI can produce impressive drafts, some critics argue that artificial intelligence tools can occasionally generate content that feels formulaic. According to available discussions among content creators, this happens because artificial intelligence models learn from large datasets and patterns rather than genuine personal experiences. As a result, users who rely entirely on automated output may risk producing content that lacks a unique voice or emotional nuance. There are also conversations around accuracy. Artificial intelligence tools, including Jasper AI, can sometimes produce information that sounds confident but requires fact-checking. Some reports suggest that users should treat generated content as a starting point rather than a final authority. This highlights the importance of human oversight, especially for industries where precision and credibility are essential. Cost is another factor that influences how users perceive Jasper AI. While many appreciate the value it offers, some individuals and small businesses feel that pricing may be challenging, particularly for those who are just starting out or experimenting with artificial intelligence tools. The decision often comes down to how frequently the platform is used and whether the time saved justifies the investment. Here's where things get interesting, and this is something many viewers might not expect. The real impact of Jasper AI often depends less on the tool itself and more on how users choose to integrate it into their workflow. Some creators treat it as a brainstorming partner, using it to generate ideas and outlines before adding their own voice. Others rely on it for bulk content production, focusing on efficiency over artistic expression. These different approaches can lead to dramatically different experiences with the same platform.
At this point, you might be wondering whether Jasper AI is reshaping the creative process or simply accelerating existing workflows. This question opens up a deeper conversation about the relationship between artificial intelligence and human creativity. Some professionals view artificial intelligence as a collaborative assistant that enhances productivity while preserving human storytelling. Others worry that over-reliance on automated tools could dilute originality across digital platforms. Both perspectives continue to shape public discussions about artificial intelligence writing technology. There's also growing curiosity about how Jasper AI adapts to evolving search engine algorithms and digital marketing strategies. Content creators often aim to balance creativity with discoverability. Jasper AI includes features designed to help optimize content for search visibility, which can be valuable for bloggers and businesses seeking online growth. When used thoughtfully, these tools can help users structure content in ways that align with modern digital trends while maintaining readability and engagement. Despite its strengths, Jasper AI sometimes faces criticism related to learning curve complexity. While the interface is generally user-friendly, mastering advanced features can require time and experimentation. New users may initially feel overwhelmed by the range of templates and customization options. However, many long-term users report that once they become familiar with the platform, it becomes significantly easier to navigate and utilize effectively. Another aspect worth discussing is the emotional connection within content. Artificial intelligence can generate technically correct writing, but emotional storytelling often relies on personal experiences, cultural understanding, and human intuition. Jasper AI attempts to simulate emotional tone, but achieving deeply personal storytelling still benefits from human involvement. This balance between efficiency and authenticity is one of the most fascinating challenges facing artificial intelligence writing tools today.
Jasper AI also continues to evolve through updates and new features. Developers consistently refine its capabilities, responding to user feedback and industry trends. This ongoing development suggests that the platform is part of a rapidly changing technological landscape rather than a static product. For users who enjoy staying ahead of digital innovation, this sense of evolution can be exciting. Public perception of artificial intelligence writing tools is still developing. Some industries have embraced them enthusiastically, while others remain cautious. According to available discussions within marketing and publishing communities, the future likely involves a hybrid approach where artificial intelligence supports content creation while human creativity provides authenticity and emotional depth. One subtle but important advantage of Jasper AI is its ability to inspire experimentation. Writers who feel stuck in repetitive routines often discover new angles and ideas through artificial intelligence suggestions. Even when users do not directly use generated content, the brainstorming process itself can spark creativity. This unexpected benefit is rarely highlighted, but can be incredibly valuable for long-term creative growth. At the same time, ethical considerations continue to shape conversations around artificial intelligence writing. Transparency, originality, and responsible content creation remain important topics. Many professionals emphasize the importance of using artificial intelligence as a supportive tool rather than a shortcut that bypasses creative responsibility. Jasper AI exists within this broader discussion, reflecting both the opportunities and challenges of emerging technology. As we approach the final stretch of this review, it becomes clear that Jasper AI is neither a miracle solution nor an overrated gimmick. It is a sophisticated tool with genuine strengths, notable limitations, and significant potential when used thoughtfully. Its effectiveness often depends on the user's expectations, experience level, and willingness to blend artificial intelligence assistance with human creativity. Looking ahead, the evolution of artificial intelligence writing tools raises a compelling question about the future of communication itself. Will technology eventually blur the line between human and machine-generated storytelling? Or will it highlight the value of human perspective even more? Jasper AI sits at the center of this conversation, representing both innovation and transformation in the digital age. If you've made it this far, you're probably reflecting on how tools like Jasper AI could fit into your own creative or professional journey. Maybe you see it as a productivity boost, a learning opportunity, or simply a fascinating glimpse into the future of content creation. Whatever your perspective, the conversation surrounding artificial intelligence writing tools is only just beginning, and your experience with them could shape how they evolve in the years ahead. If you found this review helpful or thought-provoking, consider showing your support by liking this video. It helps more people discover honest and balanced discussions like this one. If you enjoy deep dives into technology, creativity, and digital trends, subscribing to the channel ensures you won't miss future explorations. And most importantly, share your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried Jasper AI, or are you considering it? Your experiences and opinions could help others make more informed decisions, and I genuinely love to hear your perspective.